So, guys, basically, hashtag love and lust is hot, but complications are not. And casual is the new cool, right? I mean, who wants a serious
Oh,
relationship?
nice, nice,
And,
nice.
and DM is the shortcut to Dil. Dil, all the way down from there. Hashtag don't be a creep, guys.
Nice, nice.
Uh, Swipe right. Live in the moment. And cause today is the time to slay.
Nice.
We do not need to keep a ring on this, as long as you can keep the ring on that. If you know what I mean.
Well, self-pity is for losers. One girl out, man up, chin up, and live your life.
Nice.
Gucci and Prada for gifts, but no BS. Know your game, make the move, that's it.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, Youngistan and their love. Put it up for Punch Beat, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Thank you.
Well done. Have with me on this stage right now the cast and crew of Kehne Ko Hum Safar Hai Season 2! All right! तालियां रुकनी नहीं चाहिए, come on!
Hi. Thank you.
आपके साथ ही नहीं आएंगे?
नहीं, सबने मुझे अकेला छोड़
ऐसे
दिया.
मत करो यार. 1, 2, and where's the man? Where's the man of the hour? Come on. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for perhaps the most loved cast. Yes, waiting to hear from you.
I'm waiting to see it.
There is one more man
Yes.
who is the cause of everything, slinking in the corner. Apu, come. Aaja, aaja, yaar.
Apu, come here.
Pooja, come, come, come.
Nice.
Vandy, Cherry.
Come on.
Come on, Cherry. Vandy, come no, yaar. हम लोग थोड़ा let's make some space.
Sayush.
Sayush,
अच्छा. The punch beat की enthusiasm देखकर this team is buffing up. That's what's happening. Alright, मैं चाहूंगी अनन्या, पूनम और रोहित, आप तीन अपने अपने अंदाज में अंदाजे बयान करें और इस ट्रेलर को लॉन्च करें.
Okay, so I have something to say about my relationship that I have with Rohit and Kehne Ko Hum Safar Hai. बीवी बदली, but expectations नहीं. I still love Rohit the way I always did. But क्या वो मुझसे वैसे ही प्यार करता है जैसे पहले करता था? If he does, then he has to understand what I really want. आखिर कब तक उसकी second option में बनकर रहूं?
ओके मैम पूनम, और मेरे साथ कुछ ऐसा हुआ है कि माय एक्स हस्बैंड वो इस सीज़न थोड़े से कंफ्यूज्ड है. पहले तो फर्स्ट सीज़न में मेरी कद्र नहीं थी और इस सीज़न वो अपनी करंट बीवी की बुराइयां करते रहते हैं. स्ट्रेंज ना? नो, आई थिंक इट्स फेयर बिकॉज लाइफ इज ट्रीटिंग हिम जस्ट द सेम वे ही ट्रीटेड मी.
that go for it. Go for what? So I'll put the dynamics in place first.
Yeah, you go.
तो
Perfect now.
एक तरफ एक्स वाइफ, एक तरफ करंट वाइफ. तो मैरिज इज समथिंग यू ऑल विल एग्री कि ये समझ में आने वाली बात नहीं है, क्योंकि इसके लिए इसको छोड़ा, बच्चों को छोड़ा, घर छोड़ा, नया घर बनाया. अब समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि इस घर में क्या करूं. तो इस घर में जब घुसता हूं तो पहले से सॉरी बोल देता हूं, क्योंकि ये फिर बता ही देती है कि आज क्या गलती हुई है. और फिर इतना ही नहीं है, इधर बीच में एक और व्यक्ति हैं, उनको बुलाता हूँ. आइए आइए, ये भी हैं. हाँ, इनसे जब बातचीत हुई तो इन्होंने कहा कि आई डोंट लाइक वाइव्स, आई ओनली लाइक अदर पीपल्स वाइव्स. व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू से?
Loretta, I wasn't prepared for this.
Actually, line जो है trailer में है, and until now my audience hasn't seen that trailer yet. So I think we'll come back and chat about this. Yeah, guys. A big hand for the cast, ladies and gentlemen. कहने को हम सफर है season 2 for your eyes only.
Thank God the stage didn't break, guys.
I'm just going to say wow, wow. तो शुरुआत होती है कॉलेज में और 20 साल बाद ये हशर होता है. Just want to give them a big hand once again, guys. Come on. This is the actual hashtag 20 years challenge. हम करने वाले हैं आपके साथ. You're going to move this side of the stage. Thank you. Come on up, come on up, come on up. And you are going to be the challengers because you are going to give KKHH season 2
Of course
a
we have a
challenge.
challenge.
Are you ready, guys? Are you ready? Okay, this way. Come this side.
So,
Punchbeat, आप इस तरफ, आप इस तरफ. Hang on, we'll call them on stage. This way.
Sure, thank
Thank you. This way. Thank you. यार तुम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा हो यार. Okay, let's see. Is there enough? There is enough place for my wonderful, wonderful cast. Could I please have the three of you on stage? So cute. Oh, that's fun. You want to go up or what? Yeah. Okay, sir, आ जाइए. They have decided to raise the bar. अब level पे.
yeah, level, and we have a challenge for you, the slang test challenge.
What is the slang test challenge?
So we'll give you like short forms, and you have to tell us the full form of that.
Acha, before that, I want to tell you guys. I don't know if you can do that because in our time there's a word which used to be a verb, and now it's become an adjective. It's just added to everything.
So let's see you getting the full form.
What's the word?
Oh, you haven't got it as yet.
No.
So cute, guys.
So that's my 20-year challenge. You should tell me. You have to tell me what is that word that in my time used to be a verb, and now it's become an adjective. We add it in front of everything.
Cool.
Hey,
You know, a verb is a doing word.
Doing.
Doing being the operative.
We got it.
Doing.
We leave it at doing.
your classmate, classmate, है ना? Look,
Classmate,
School
classmate.
में college में?
School.
School.
Rosewood High.
Oh God.
चलो अपना challenge.
So let's begin. Who's first? Guys, come on.
Okay, so
Yeah.
Come on.
Me, let's go.
Come on.
What is
So it's-
OOTD?
OOTD.
The day.
Oh!
Yeah.
Well done, well done. Okay, एक और.
No, well known.
So I'll be asking, what is IDGAF?
I don't give a.
I don't give the verb that is now an adjective.
Nice.
okay,
Okay,
so
what is... You go first.
you go first. Please,
Okay, what is JOMO? J-O-M-O. Wait.
You can't.
You can't.
You can't.
J-O-M-O.
I think it is the opposite of FOMO.
Nice. It is.
Okay then.
Guys, it is.
It is the opposite, but I would like you to tell me.
It can be. It depends upon the mood actually.
Okay,
you know?
tell me
It
last-
can be the joy of missing out, or can also,
Okay.
can also be the joy of making out.
Nah.
Well,
Wow.
Depends
you just
upon
came up with a
joy.
new one. You know, well done.
yeah.
Well,
So impressive.
Joy of
I
making
mean-
out.
Okay, hashtag 20-year challenge. You got any more?
yeah, we got one more.
Maybe.
What is the full form of IRL?
इसके रास्ते लग गए. हमारे भैया 20 years back we used to say that. इसके रास्ते लग गए. IRL.
Superb. और है. आ जाओ बच्चों.
मेरा भी.
हाँ.
So, what is FML?
So it has to be the verb.
Yes, like censor to the first word.
Yeah, they got all of them, na?
Guys, you are too millennial, huh, for your age.
Find my life.
Okay,
So
2
the
minutes.
last one.
Last one.
What is WYD?
What are you doing?
Yes!
Not bad.
I just want to say, team has swiped right on this challenge, okay?
You
so
won.
you guys, आपका
to
भी
my
challenge होना
profile.
चाहिए.
नहीं challenge हमारा तो फिर हमारे टाइम का challenge.
हमारे टाइम का. चलिए.
हाँ, for example ये एक हमारे शो में ये What's your name in the show?
इतने कंफ्यूज हो गए दो बीवियों के साथ यार.
See how confusing it is
बेटी
to
तुम्हारा
be
नाम क्या है?
standing next to both the women. तो ये शेर वेर बड़ी बोलती हैं in the show. तो why don't we ask?
हो जाए.
है ना, एक शेर बोलते हैं.
हाँ.
और let's see if they can tell us who the author.
Wow. Oh.
Very easy.
We'll start with an easy one.
Very easy.
Which is very common in our industry also in the world. किसी को मुकम्मल जहां नहीं मिलता, कहीं ज़मीं तो कहीं आसमान नहीं मिलता.
क्या बात.
I just know one Shire, so I'll keep saying his name, Ghalib. Mirza Ghalib.
It's not Ghalib, you know. It's not Ghalib, yeah. I'm sorry, it's not Ghalib.
What's up, Ghalib?
What's up, Ghalib?
Ghalib, what's doing tonight?
Mirza Ghalib.
Ghalib, W-Y-D. Okay. Not Ghalib.
Okay, I think आगे आ जाइए.
It's not Ghalib.
मेरा काम करे मुझे बड़ा मजा आ रहा है.
Why don't you ask them the one that you use in the show?
That's a tough one. Yeah. Chalo. Ready?
अच्छा वैसे आपका उत्तर गलत था.
By the way,
It is Nida Fazli, not उत्तर जवाब.
Yes.
इतना
is
पता
जवाब,
था यार,
guys.
उत्तर is जवाब.
रात ने अपना सफर तय कर लिया है मुस्कुरा, अंदर सराय में कहीं कोई कह रहा है मुस्कुरा.
हाय.
हाय, डोंट मुस्कुरा, थिंक ऑफ द जवाब.
हरिवंश राय
दिल के
बच्चन.
अंदर ही इबादत गाह जब मौला की है.
Guys.
Guys,
एक सेकंड मैं थोड़ी चीटिंग कर लेता हूँ. मैं थोड़ी चीटिंग कर लेता हूँ.
चैलेंज. नहीं. क्या था? दिल के अंदर ही इबादत गाह जब मौला की है, क्यों सुने जो भी मुअज्जिन कह रहा है मुस्कुरा.
आपने ये बोला कैसे? वापस बोलिए.
ऐसे.
बहुत अच्छा लगा सुन के.
आपने ये बोला कैसे? अच्छा ऑथर का नाम भूल जाओ, सिर्फ ये बता दो
What's
कि
up, Ghalib?
मुअज्जिन क्या होता है.
फिर से इसको use it in a sentence.
Team Punch
भूल जाते
Beat.
मैं. अच्छा I'll tell you one. You want to give them a clue? And then,
Yes. Hint.
Since they don't know any
या
answers.
छोड़ ही दे.
दे दो, क्लू दे दो यार.
आप
इजी वाला. हाथों की लकीरों पे मत जा गालिब.
ये तो.
हाथ नहीं होते. Come on.
Mirza
Ghalib.
What's up, Ghalib? What's up, Ghalib?
From the epiglottis, Ghalib.
Try to make it very simple for you.
Thank
अब
you.
बोलिए. हो गया? Okay. Any more? ना. इनको छोड़ दें अभी.
बस I think.
हैं तो बहुत सारे, लेकिन आपको इस चैलेंज में बिना पास किए भी हमने पास किया. तो इनको
शुक्रिया.
जोरदार
Thank you.
तालियां हो जाएं. It was fabulous, guys. #20th challenge. It was absolutely epic. Thanks to you. Yeah. All right. Can I please call upon now your friends from the cast? Would you like to call them up on stage? Could I please have a few more members of the cast from Punch Beat to join us on the stage, please?
Sameer sir.
should we go off then?
No. आप यहीं रहेंगे. बहुत जगह है दिलों में हमारे.
Sameer sir.
Sameer sir.
Sameer sir.
समीर सर के साथ 40 years चले.
Hashtag.
आइए सर.
सर आप पहले क्यों नहीं आए? आप बचा लेते शेरो शायरी में.
All right, guys, give it up for Sameer.
Can we have
Yes,
our?
please.
Can we have
Appu sir.
Vikas sir as well?
Suyar sir.
Suya
Anubhav.
sir.
Suyar
Anubhav
Anubhav
sir.
sir.
Suya sir.
Part
Energy man.
And
RTOP.
Part
Suya
Pooja
sir.
Raj.
Anubhav sir. Can we please have you all on stage?
और ये एक डबल ढोल की भी है जो दोनों तरफ है. इसको
अरे,
बीच में
अरे.
खड़ा करते हैं.
Oh!
Ladies and gentlemen, and now, can I please have the pleasure of calling up on stage the Tsarina of content in this country. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Ekta Kapoor. Hi. All right, we'll be here. Can I please pass the mic to? Yeah, thank you so much. Hi and welcome to the stage. Sabse pehle, I'm going to put you in a very hard position. I like hard positions, Ekta. Let me just tell you that, yeah? Okay? So I just want to say that. The hard position I'm going to put you in, #20year challenge. इन दो प्यार में से अगर आपको एक चुनना होता तो आप कौन सा चुनती?
इन दो प्यारों में एक I choose him with the 9 badams and half of in the whole show, and I've seen it. I think he has the maximum confidence. There's one fantastic scene where he has 2 really big billboards that says, "I'll take both of you on."
Awesome. Of course, 2 shows, in one on one stage. What an epic idea. In dono shows ke piche, you've been the force and of course the light behind it. Tell me
Actually,
the
I'm
love.
just the channel. The light behind both the shows are the writers, Jaya Mishra, the producers, Mukta. On this side, it's my little boy, Vikas, who's now spending most nights in my house. So yeah.
Can we call them up on stage right now? Vikas is
Mukta,
already here.
Jaya,
Suyash.
please come. Suyash, of
Yeah.
course.
Jaya.
And of course, Kapil, who doesn't look like a director, looks like an actor.
All right. So tell us a little bit more about the love you have for season 2 first.
So actually, Kehne Ko Hum Safar Hai did very, very well on our app. In fact, it got so much love, and it was quite shocking because it was one story which dealt with Indian, the other side of love. It was about a woman who fell in love with a married man, and we tried our best to justify all kinds of loves. And people understood the complications of a relationship where in today's times you never get all of anyone. And so I was very happy to do a second season, and I think it's even more complicated this time.
I know you're loving the fact that it's so complicated,
I
right?
usually like complicated.
I know that. This is fun. Okay, let's talk about simpler times then, when you were in high school, Ekta. First
I
of all,
wasn't really in high school. I started working very young.
what do you think about the high school of today?
You know, it's extremely aspirational. I think when I see this show, I actually feel, I mean, इसमें कुछ realistic नहीं है. Don't expect anything realistic. But it's such escapism for young India. And I think that's also a big art. Vikas has done it very well. He's brought in beautiful looking people, and their problems are little first world, but they're also real. Because somewhere, you need to escape when you're young into a world where you feel. So it's like, I personally think it's extremely good looking. When we watch the show, sometimes we're even shocked at how good looking this crowd is. And Vikas, of course, has put them without shirts in nearly every scene. I'm like, it's like 103 six-pack abs roaming around. Priyank is fantastic in the show. He is fantastic. His layering of a character it shocks me how good you are. I mean, it's your first big work. I'm quite shocked because I've seen you in non-fiction a lot, but I couldn't believe you're such a good actor.
And he's such a dish. It helps.
Yeah, he's a dish.
And he's a
good
dish,
actor.
yeah.
That's quite a combo.
Yeah, absolutely.
Sid
Hello, ma'am.
is so good. I mean, he's also fantastic. Harshita is good. The new girls are good. You are my friend, are my favorite. You are my favorite, and you are, again, going to be a big star. And I actually love this crowd. And of course, he, with his... I have 9 badams. I can fight anyone. I think it's fantastic that Vikas has also worked. I swear on you, there's a lot of layering, there's a lot of characterization, and beyond just being looking aspirational, you actually fall in love with the characters. But the surprise packet of the show is going to be Sameer Soni. Yes.
Whoa!
Completely. And
Woo!
Nikki Walia.
I absolutely hate him. After this show, I absolutely hate him.
You have to say a few words, Sameer.
No, it's just a great pleasure. I'm going to thank Ekta and Vikas for casting me. Probably the most exciting role I've ever done in my life, and I've been itching to do something like this. And I don't think anyone's ever seen me do this before. So thank you, Vikas. Love you for that, Ekta, always.
But
Wow.
on this one, we were so hesitant that Sameer sir would say yes to this because he's never played a father on screen. And when we...
So evil.
Yeah, and so evil. And we're just so thankful, sir, that you did agree to do this one.
Can I please call on Parth? Where's Parth? Parth, why aren't you on this stage with us?
You come with us.
Why you want a
part
special
of Balaji
invitation?
and
Come
Lost
on.
Boys, so you come in just to say hello. Come on. I have to say one thing. Parth has come into Kehne Ko Hum Safar Hai for one scene. And there are more people asking me about Parth than anything else. I am quite shocked. So we have added one more scene of you. Because otherwise we'll get massacred by your fans.
Fabulous. I'm going to ask you now to turn around. And of course, now the spotlight, though it can never be shared really, we're going to shift it to you. Would you kindly come forward, Mona? Thank you. Thank you. Just here would be lovely. Thank you so much. I want you to actually tell them the same sort of kind words and love because they've been with you much longer.
Actually, they know that. Actually, I've been always saying it. Ronit has done this show for like 2 seasons. Every time I think that, you see him and you realize that it's understandable why 2 women are fighting over him. It's very understandable. It's very fightable. Very, very realistic. And
you should respond to
You should be
that.
like him after you grow up, you know that, no? This is what I want, the 20-year
20-year
challenge.
You have to respond to that.
That's fantastic. Mona is unbelievable. She metamorphosizes into characters. I mean, in Ye Meri Family, she was playing a mum who was completely conservative, and now she's playing this absolutely a go-getter woman who fell in love, made a decision, and now she's questioning the decision. So it's interesting to see Mona in the show. She's actually done a fantastic job. Gurdeep has come across as the most vulnerable character of the show.
Gurdeep, where are you? Hi. Yeah.
Come here, Gurdeep. I will walk like this. And it's unbelievable. Appu provides the other side. I mean, Ronit also has to get insecure in the show. And he does that job very well. I think, but this show, Kehne Ko Humsafar Hai, is got nothing to do with me. It is 99.9% the acting, the writing by Jaya and Mukta, and the direction by Kapil. I think he is... You will be shocked to know how good looking our director is. Please come in front. Please come right here. This is the kind of...
Why are the good looking ones so shy? Yeah?
This is the kind of eye candy we provide the women on the set. Good looking actors, good looking directors, it just works. They give an extra hours. And of course, it helps that you're so talented. But your good looking is your first big.
Your first virtue is that you're good. You're pleasing on the eyes.
So I have to say, both these shows have had so much excitement. We are clearly, we've done pretty decently as an app, thanks to you guys. And all the promotion you gave us, which was quite shocking because we were an Indian app and there were so many international apps, but we got so much love from the media. So thank you, everyone. Thank you so much.
Aww. Ekta, thank you so much. You're the reason why we're all on this stage right now. And I'm going to ask, of course, my wonderful, good-looking, fabulous cast to say a few words, starting with you, sir.
Well, Ekta just said that she's given everybody credit, but I'd like to say that it is her who, she
This is
brings
looking like an
everything
award function.
together.
Please, no talking about me. Talk about the
Then
show.
I have to say it because, the vision is put in by her. And then, of course, she brings so much talent, Jaya and Kapil sir and everybody, to bring it together. But it's her vision through and through. I don't know about Punchbeat, but at least on our show, I can clearly say that it's her vision through and through.
Wow. Mona, would you please say a few words?
I'm really happy that the app is doing super duper well. It just, it's just been a year that it was launched, or maybe a year and a half. Everybody's talking about the app, our show, Kehne Ko Humsafar Hai. It was absolutely shocking to know that every woman in the, at the kitty parties were discussing our show. And I was really overwhelmed. Ekta's vision was absolutely brilliant. I remember when she called me and she offered me the role, it was shocking because nobody would have thought
Mona,
of me
stop
like
talking
that.
about me.
No, seriously, nobody would have thought of me like that to play the other woman. They want me to usually play the wife. So thank you. Thank you for believing in me. Thank you. Yeah.
Gurdeep.
Gurdeep, if you talk about me, I'll faint.
Of course, I have to.
No,
I hardly get chances
guys,
to talk about you.
Aw.
Thank Ekta.
Please.
So
This is
here's
like
my
Embarrass
chance
Ekta
again.
Day, right?
This is
chance
not
to.
an
So,
award function.
Thank you, Balaji, all Balaji, Ekta Kapoor for really believing in me that I can do Poonam. Okay, so when Poonam happened, I was like, I'm playing the same thing again. But guys, second season is my new beginning and I'm excited. Not a single day I have felt that I am working because of the writing and direction and of course Ekta's vision. Thank you so much, all Balaji.
We've heard from the cast and now I think we must hear from the directors of both the shows. Sabse pehle, of course, can I
Both the
please...
good-looking directors.
Yes, would you please say a few words? Step up, please. Thanks.
As you see, we've chosen another good-looking director. We don't stop there.
It's like a director's closet you have, huh? Come, stand here.
I actually first wanted to congratulate Punchbeat. It looks fantastic. So Vikas and Ekta again, of course. I guess I had a slightly easier job. These guys are at season 1. We had season 2. For me, it was a privilege to be working again with these guys. Season 1 kind of finished, and personally, I didn't think we had much more of a story to tell. And then Ekta called us into a meeting and gave us this banging twist, and that became season 2. And of course, it's always, like I said earlier, a privilege to work with this fine, talented cast that trusts me and I trust them. So we've had a lot of fun, and hope you guys have as good a time watching it as we had making it.
Thank you.
First of all, thank you, Ekta ma'am. Thank you, Vikas, for giving the opportunity.
Press conference. This is not a thank you.
No, this is the only time.
Guys, let's talk about the show.
This is the only time I'll be nice to Vikas. Otherwise, we keep fighting. So. But thank you so much. It's been brilliant. I have thoroughly enjoyed this. Thank you for pushing me, as always. Every show looks good because of the team behind it. And I would like to thank, in our case, it's a good-looking DOP and not a director. Please come forward.
Oh God, Ekta, why is every guy on this show so good-looking?
Like, cinematographer also.
The most good-looking DOP is ours.
DOP, yeah.
We have a really good-looking DOP as well.
App challenge started from him. So he has the app, Priyank has the app, Siddharth has the app.
Punchbeat is बच्चों का 300.
The cast has been brilliant. Thank you, guys. Thank you for bearing with me. Thank you for all that I've put you through. Boxing, dancing, fighting. Thank you so much. Priyank, you've rocked. You've killed it. Nikhil, your sense of humor, like Ekta ma'am said, is brilliant. Kaju, you're, like I said, you're my lucky mascot. Sindhuja, you, every time you come on screen, we stop the screening and we start laughing. You've been brilliant, Kushi. Siddharth, my buddy, thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Of course, there are requests that we want to hear.
Samir, sir, I'm so
Samir,
sorry.
come on. Samir, step up in the front. At least let's look at you, yeah. We've been loving you since 20 years. That's the real hashtag 20-year challenge, first of all. Thanks, yeah. Hey, that also means that I'm also that old. But hey, old is sexy. You know that, right?
Well, I hope so.
Yes, you must say a few words about being sexy. I mean, about the show.
The show, oh God, I think everybody said everything. I think this is the future, guys. The reason I was standing in the back, but this is honestly, I'm in awe of all these people. They're really brilliant. They work so hard, and forget the physical aspect of it. And I see in Siddharth and Priyank and him, this is superstars, really. I feel it's a privilege for me to be the older guy here. And thank you, Vikas and Ekta. Ekta always brings out the best in me, and she knows how to cast me. So, I'm really excited about the show, and guys, do support them, I guess.
Thank you, Samir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Because everyone's talking about you. You have to say a few words now. Come on. Finally. And not in Ekta's ears, huh?
And you have to say about the show, not about anybody else.
The two people who are not on stage right now, one's Nikki Walia, and she's in London, and she has given so much time and energy to this character called Maya. And our lead actress, Harshita, is shooting for a film, and she wasn't able to be here, and she's really wanting to be here, and we couldn't come. From all the team, and I would like to say this, we had shot for 3 days, and we had gotten the footage back, and I think the cost of the show at that point of time was 1/25 the cost right now. And when Ekta saw the footage, hamari footage lag gayi thi. Because, when everyone keeps talking about vision ka matlab bahut bada hota hai, and that meaning I have always learned from her. And it is after that, that's important to know that those 3 days, entire shoot was scanned, and we restarted all over again. The show took 1.5 years to make, and you will realize it after you watch the show. It's not the first episode or the second episode. It'll be the 10th and the 12th that you will see the magnitude of the vision that came from her. Yeah.
I have to tell you, Vikas comes to me when I was making the show. He said, "Thoda wait karna padega, ma'am." I said, "Kyun?" He said, "वो Priyank Big Boss में जा रहा है, तो वो जब आएगा तब हम उसके साथ shoot करेंगे." I said, "Okay." बाद में ये खुद बिग बॉस में घुस गया. I was like, at least writing the whole thing.
Oh my God, yeah.
I said, I was more than anyone waiting for both of them to come out. कि we can start Punch
कब
Beat.
कब बाहर निकलेंगे?
कब eliminate होंगे?
पर नहीं हुए, फिनाले तक चले गए थे.
Well, can I please have Pooja Banerjee to say a few words? Hi, Pooja. Parth? Parth, yeah, both of you step forward, yeah.
I got to thank again. Oh, cut, copy, paste. जो
Cut,
सब
copy,
कुछ
paste,
ने
yeah.
सबने
Thank you.
बोला. And about
Especially
this
Ekta
show-
ma'am's part is cut,
Yeah,
copy, paste.
Cut, copy, paste. I'm telling you, okay. And about the show, about Bani, I'll just talk about Bani. Till date, I think I've never played such a crazy character who's always on the forefront, takes the decisions, goes against the father, goes against the mother, takes a stand. I think that's a great character that I got a chance to play Bani. And season 2, of course, it's the same thing, you know, thinking whether I did something wrong or was the marriage a mistake. So I think it's a great character as Bani. I'm sure you guys must have loved it. I really love playing Bani and बाकी तो चलता ही रहेगा. पार्थ तुम बता दो तुम्हें मेरे साथ शूट करके कैसा लगा?
कितना बड़ा भयंकर कैरेक्टर प्ले किया है, क्या
कितना?
डेप्थ लेकर
सब
आए
बात,
हैं
come on.
कैरेक्टर के अंदर.
जो मुझे लोग पूछ रहे हैं, please stop. I am tired of answering what Parth is doing in the show.
So yeah.
Advancing under pressure.
So, like Pooja said, this is the first time that she experienced such a wonderful experience, and I, for the first time, had a cameo role to play. So, for me, it was a surprise, and I went there. I read my character, and when I met Pooja, of course, being playing sister brothers in some other show, and then coming along and facing each other as
ए रात को भाई बना है, रात को भाई, रात को भाई, रात को भाई.
और फिर यहाँ पर वापस हम लोग रोमांस कर रहे हैं और बाद में जाके वापस भाई बहन बन रहे हैं. तो yes, but I enjoyed. I had a good time. It was a good change for me, and I hope that कहने को हम सफर है season 2 rocks, and as well as Punch Beat. As well as Punch Beat, because it's looking fabulous. The look is fabulous. You guys are looking beautiful and handsome as ever. So
Thank you. That's
yes,
amazing.
yes,
Very
yes.
kind of you.
Another thing about Bani, ठीक है भूल जाओ. अभी कहने को हम सफर के बारे में I would like to tell one thing which I told everybody. There are so many people who have walked up to me and openly told me that, you know, we are in a similar situation. We want to get, you know, we want to go through a divorce, but we always get stuck thinking about the child. So we want to know what is up to Bani, like what Bani gonna do. So I think it's actually a reality. So many people are in this situation, and I think it's brilliantly done by all the actors over here. So thank you.
Thank you, both of you. Can I please have a word now from Apurva? Apurva, where are you? Hi. Hi. See, I knew this. I knew this, which is why I just turned this around, you know. Where is he?
He's having lunch.
Apurva, are you here? Maybe he'll join us. Maybe he'll be back in a minute. Jayaji, would you please step forward, take the mic, and say a few words, because it's so much fun to meet someone on the stage like yourself. Thank you.
Are you seeing how good looking our writers
Woohoo! Nailing it.
So, कहने को season 1 was the first show that I ever wrote with Ekta, and now Alt Balaji has become a home for me. She is the best collaborator I've ever worked with. But
Cut,
we
copy,
had
paste,
so
cut,
much
copy,
fun.
paste.
The writing is so much fun. We have so much fun in that conference room where we jam, we fight, and we just like are on the same page by the end of it. And what a cast, and what a director. So it's like
Director. You know, I'm having so much fun just being in the middle of all this. I'm sure my friends from the media would have questions. And to your face, thank you so much. You've been so loving, kind, and patient with both of these shows that have launched today. Give them a big hand, first of all. Spread the love. Spread the love. And now, you know what to do. You'll ask the questions, and I promise there wouldn't be a more honest stage than an Alt Balaji stage. So have fun, yeah? Could we pass a couple of mics to the audience, please? Could I please ask the cast to stay back on the stage? You guys will stay back. You're not going anywhere, okay?
Okay.
Please stay back on the stage. All right. Could we have the mics and put it, ma'am?
Hi, Ekta.
Hi, Ekta, straight away. Go for it.
How much of creative inputs are yours in both the shows? And they're like different audience it caters to. And how easy or difficult for it is, I mean, as compared to the serials you've done in the past and now this web series?
I let Vikas take center stage when it comes to this age group, because there's so many things that I don't even understand. I'm like, okay. And then, so I think creatively he helmed the project completely. And his director, his cameraman, the team was taking forth. And I was seeing it and thinking, ye nahi chalega.
Sure, everything.
Yeah, I try to creatively ally, you know. Even on Keniko, I'm creatively involved, but it's got to be coming from another source, because otherwise it will get repetitive. So I try to keep myself as the last point of connection, wherein I see if it creatively hits me or not. I don't want to be the one, maybe sometimes at the root germ level and then in the final level. But the rest of the process, I let it be absolutely individually driven. Yeah, yeah. I'm like, how does everyone have six-pack abs? We used to have all shapes and sizes. Now we have one simple size 0.
Our next question, please.
Hi, Ekta, Sana here from Indian Express. So tell me that both the shows have a lot of buzz around. So what was the reason that you decided to launch it on the same day? You want the audience to be split for choices?
So actually, there are different audiences also. Secondly, in app, you're not competing for the same time slot as such, you know. So if they launch on the same day, a lot of traffic comes for one show and then you sample the other. So if a lot of audience is coming for Punch Beat, of course they're going to say, who are these, I mean, like really, people have these kind of marriage problems, but they might just sample. And clearly, as you see, there are two different types of audience distinctly. And with the lap, I think it'll be a great week for alt.
And both shows have a huge ensemble cast. So how difficult was it to get all of them together? Because for you, Punch Beat.
We've had the press con on 7th, which took us almost 70 days to organize with these very busy actors. But it's great fun. It's great fun to see these fantastic actors. I'm so grateful.
Our next question, please. Yes, sir.
So there's a strong data. We have our data team, which is a tech team. In fact, it's far more intensive than TRPs, because TRPs is an analysis of the homes where the boxes are fixed. On this, it's pure numbers data. You know, 1 million people watched or 2 million people watched this episode, went into the second episode, dropped off in the fourth episode, came back in the sixth episode. You even know how many people watched how many minutes. It's as intensive, and the kind of audience, the data is so clear.
Yeah, Ekta, hi. Your production values and the mounting, the canvas, you know, it's on par with any feature film, you know, it's so rich, the grandeur. So when we watched it on the big screen, you know, it was evident. So you didn't consider making Punch Beats as a movie?
I would say Vikas is blushing at this moment. He is Chaitanya. Vikas is looking like Chaitanya. He's going to go up the stage and hug you just now. But actually, these guys, I have a very ambitious production. Our people, these producers I work with, they do not want to make their content look anything less. We respect our viewer too much. I mean, so what if it is on an app and not on a movie? You watch it at home, you watch it anywhere. You should get the feeling you're watching. आपका time वसूल होना चाहिए. पैसा वसूल तो हम बोलते हैं movies में, but time पहले वसूल होना चाहिए.
Setting it straight. I love that. These are all the new lines, all right? This is going to go down in history, I can tell you that. Okay, up next. Any other questions? Yeah, it'll be nice if you take the mic. Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, hi, Ruchita from Blanchard.
Hey, Ruchita,
hi,
how are you?
I'm fine, how are you? So, ma'am, what is the major difference between the first season and the second one? Has the second one been more feministic as well as the both?
Yeah, actually, if you ask me, the one line of the second season is, it's very easy to love an emancipated woman. It's very tough to live with one, because old age conditioning keeps coming back. It's interesting, it's exciting to see somebody doing their own thing in life. But when that person is in your life, will you adjust to them? Secondly, we've always seen that we always see fairy tales till the point that you achieve what you want. But actually, after that, the story begins. The struggles, the putting in your best, the understanding, and that's where most things go wrong, you know?
Congratulations and all the best.
Thank you. How polite. I love that. Next. Thank you. Back to you, huh?
Priyank, hi. You're constantly in news for your personal life. So does that help you or does that take your audience away?
I just want to say that I'm killing it everywhere. I feel now, be the professional and the personal life.
Nice. Confidence. Hashtag that.
So yeah, that's.
All right. Our next question, please. Yes. The right.
एकता मैम यहाँ पे लव स्टोरीज की बहुत सारी बात हो रही है रिसेंटली आपके लाइफ में एक नई नई लव स्टोरी स्टार्ट हुई है आपके बेबी के साथ उसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे
थोड़ी प्राइवेट लव स्टोरी है थोड़ी प्राइवेट रखना चाहती हूँ इट्स अ न्यू बिगनिंग आई जस्ट वांट यू ऑल टू गिव मी योर विशेस दैट्स इट
थैंक यू
बीतता है दिन उनके इर्द गिर्द मतलब बेबी आती है तो बहुत जिम्मेदारी भी आती है
मल्टीटास्किंग बहुत है बट ये लास्ट क्वेश्चन थैंक यू
Thank you. All right, with that, ladies and gentlemen, I think we are not taking any more questions. Thank you so much for giving us all your time and love and support. Don't forget, it's the hashtag 20-year challenge! All right. Don't forget to definitely watch both shows. Spread the word, ladies and gentlemen. For right now, before I go, of course, I'm going to ask my Zarina to say a few closing words, if any. Otherwise, we'll do our photos.
Download Alt Balaji. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, download Alt Balaji on your phones.
Thank you.
Well done. And with that, it's a wrap.
बताना चाहूँगा कि आई होप आप लोगों को ट्रेलर पसंद आए. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक्स टू एकता मैम एंड द एंटायर टीम ऑफ पंचबीट जिन्होंने एक्चुअली हमें मौका दिया. एंड कैरेक्टर के बारे में, राहत मैं प्ले कर रहा हूँ कैरेक्टर. तो आप जब शो देखेंगे तो राहत के विजन से पूरा शो देखने वाले हैं कि बहुत इंटेंस है, बहुत पेन है, वो आप ट्रेलर में देख ही चुके होंगे अभी तक. सो इट्स गोना बी so that's the Lara Kajol. So if I talk about Rahat, it's gonna be crazy.
The most good-looking boxer you have ever seen in the history of boxing.
She's damn
and I'm
sweet.
comparing with Hollywood. Never back down.
She's damn sweet.
He is way better
अच्छा
than
ना मुझे
anybody.
बोलने तो दो.
मतलब इससे better actor नहीं है इंडस्ट्री में. This guy is killing it. बॉक्सिंग क्या, डांसिंग देख लो इसकी, इतना मेहनती है. इसके अलावा किसी ने एक्टिंग ही नहीं की है शो में. क्या खेले हैं आप.
I love her.
I'm very
Thanks.
proud of you.
बता दिया उसने. हाँ जी.
अरे सेल्फी चाहिए यार इसके साथ.
Blessed. I feel blessed and how. So it's a great feeling. हाँ जी. यार डांसिंग तो मैं पैदा ही हुआ था तभी समझ गया था मुझे डांसिंग करना है, तो nothing compares to that. ये तो मैंने कैरेक्टर के लिए किया था. So but yes, it's good fun. Boxing also. Yeah. ये रही आ गई, आजा सिंधु आ. बहुत excited. There is just so much happening. There's boxing, there's dancing, there's craziness, and we all young people have so much energy. So
इतना गुड लुकिंग शो है ये. मतलब आपको इमेजिन, हम लोगों को विश्वास नहीं हो रहा है इतना गुड लुकिंग. मतलब प्रियांक तो था ही, बट शो गुड लुकिंग हो गया गाइस.
और हम लोग कितने गुड लुकिंग
हम क्या लग रहे हैं. अनुभव बंसल, सुयश, इन सब की मेहनत है ये. हमारा डायरेक्टर, हमारा डीओपी, दे हैव नेल्ड इट. विकास का विजन, वी ऑल आर लुकिंग सो प्रिटी. इस बंदी ने तो ब्रेसेस पहने कैरेक्टर के लिए, अब हटा दिए. बट हम लोग वी हैव गॉन ऑल आउट.
We've done everything that we could in our own way to like make the show look
And we have given up on a lot of things क्योंकि ये 2 साल की मेहनत है हम सबकी. तो obviously we had to give in. हम बाल नहीं कटा सकते, कंटिन्यूटी मेंटेन करना है, बॉडी वेट मेंटेन करना है, ये वो दुनिया भर की चीजें.
सोना भी है, so we don't look bloated.
दिवाली and all we were shooting, so we have done all that. So I think it's been one of those long journeys जो एक मूवी के लिए आप एक्सपीरियंस करोगे, वो हमने पंचपीठ पे कर लिया है.
And today we feel like कि जो भी हम लोग ने इतना एफर्ट डाला है, the result is right there. So we are really happy.
Sindhu, what do you want to say, Sindhu?
That's really exciting. It's a first show.
It's my first show, guys. Please watch Punchbeat. और बहुत मजा आएगा आप लोग को.
हाँ जी, careful. हाँ जी. हाँ जी. You can definitely say, like actually जैसा एकदम मैम ने बताया कि हम पंचबीट पहले ही करने वाले थे. जैसे मैं स्प्लिट्स फिला से आया था, तो वो एक्चुअली टर्निंग पॉइंट था. जब मैं स्प्लिट से बाहर आया था तो मैंने पंचबीट साइन किया था. लेकिन मैं बिग बॉस चला गया, फिर बाद में पता चला कि विकास भी बिग बॉस जा रहा है, तो एकदम हमने कहा चलो मैं रुक ही जाती हूँ, फिर जब ये दोनों आ जाएंगे तब मैं पंचबीट बना लूँगी. सो यस, यू कैन से दैट. उसके बाद हमने और इसको कोशिश करी कि और बड़ा बना सकें शो को. फाइटिंग के आपको बहुत सारे सीन्स मिलेंगे शो में. एक सिर्फ बॉक्सिंग नहीं मिलेगी, एक MMA सीक्वेंस भी मिलेगा जो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. तो वो शो देखिए और आई होप आप सबको बहुत पसंद आए. बहुत मेहनत करिए यार. थैंक यू सो मच गाइस. थैंक यू. पंचबीट गाइस, वॉच पंचबीट. कुछ नहीं यार, काम करो, प्रमोशन में बिजी हूँ. आज कुछ है, आज कोई डे है ना, सम डे, रोज डे. बताओ किसको दूँ, टाइम ही नहीं है मेरे पास. मम्मा को दे दूंगा घर जाके. नहीं यार नहीं, मुझे नहीं देना है किसी को. मुझे अब नहीं देना किसी को, रोज नहीं देना मुझे. अब नहीं देना, मुझे नहीं देना. हाँ जी. ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट शिल्पा जी, ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट. लाइक वो जहाँ जाती है, शी इज डूइंग वेरी वेल एंड आई होप ऑल द गुड लक एंड वेरी गुड विशेस विद हर. सो थैंक यू सो मच गाइस. थैंक यू.
थैंक यू. लास्ट ईयर से शूट चालू हो गई थी सितंबर से. आई हैड अ वेरी गुड टाइम बिकॉज सीज़न 2 है, सारी कास्ट एक फैमिली की तरह बन जाती है. हमारे डायरेक्टर, सब एक्टर्स खूब मस्ती की, बहुत अच्छा काम किया, राइटिंग बहुत अच्छी है शो की. सो नाउ वी ऑल आर वेटिंग फॉर द रिलीज ऑफ द शो. मेरा ये तीसरा शो है बालाजी के साथ. So I'm very, very happy to be a part of Balaji family. They make great shows. They look after their people, and they have the vision. बहुत मज़ा आता है बिकॉज यू नो एवरी डे यू हैव सो मच टू लर्न. जिस दिन आपने ये सोच लिया कि मैंने सब कुछ सीख लिया, ज़िंदगी ख़त्म है. वन शुड बी क्यूरियस, वन शुड बी एंशियस टू लर्न एंड अनलर्न. वेब सीरीज़ में इतना कुछ होता है जो टीवी में नहीं हो पाता. हमको रिहर्सल्स के लिए बहुत टाइम मिलता है. यू नो स्क्रिप्ट पहले से सारी रेडी होती है, सो विच इज़ अ बेनिफिट फॉर एन एक्टर. तो मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया. वैलेंटाइन डे हमारा शो रिलीज़ हो रहा है और इससे बेस्ट वैलेंटाइन गिफ्ट तो आई डोंट थिंक मुझे कभी मिली है. थैंक यू. थैंक यू.
I know.
Yeah, so don't run away. Good. Hani sir, बोलिए.
Thank you.
गुरदीप आप बोलिए.
पहली बार तो मैं मिस्टर समीर सोनी से मिली हूँ आज पहली बार.
इतने सालों?
इतने सालों में रियली. सो दैट वाज अ गुड थिंग फॉर मी दिस टुडे. एंड सीजन 2 आ गया है ऑलमोस्ट. प्रोमो आज लॉन्च हुआ है, तो आई होप लोगों को उतना ही पसंद आएगा जितना फर्स्ट सीजन पसंद आया है. एंड आई एम रियली होपिंग दैट दे विल लाइक माई कैरेक्टर बिकॉज मेरे लिए बहुत कुछ नया है इस सीजन में करने के लिए और किया भी है. तो आई एम श्योर आई एम जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर द गुड फीडबैक.
सर आप बड़े सारे सवाल पूछ गए एक साथ. क्या सवाल आप रिफ्रेश? देखिए कंपटीशन, हाँ चलो ठीक है. देखिए जहाँ तक कंपटीशन की बात है, अगर वो टेलीविज़न हो या फिल्म हो या वेब सीरीज़ हो, कंपटीशन सब जगह होगा और एंड में जो क्वालिटी होगी वही सर्वाइव करेगी. एंड आई थिंक जो बालाजी और एकता का जो सेंसिबिलिटीज़ है, जो एक्सपीरियंस है, उन्होंने फिल्में बनाई हैं, इतने सालों से इतने हिट सीरियल दिए हैं, तो वो कहीं तरह एक ऑडियंस की नर्व्स को जानती हैं, पहचानती हैं. तो आई थिंक तभी आप देखेंगे जो 2 शो हम प्रमोट कर रहे हैं आज बिल्कुल ही अलग हैं. उनकी सोच अलग है, जनरेशन अलग है, एंड शी नोज व्हाट शी इज़ डूइंग. सो आई थिंक ऑफ ऑल, मतलब मैं ऑब्वियसली पार्शल रहूँगा, मैंने 2 शोज़ किए हैं ऑल्ट के साथ, मगर एज अ प्लेटफॉर्म ऑल्ट इज़ डूइंग एक्सट्रीमली वेल. और उसमें अगर आप ऐप को डाउनलोड करेंगे तो जिस डिफरेंट टाइप के आपको शोज़ देखने को मिलेंगे, आई थिंक there's something for everyone. So I think Ekta is a trailblazer and this is another one.
And I think it's the only Hindi app which is doing so well. One of the first and it's really doing well.
क्योंकि वैलेंटाइन डे के मौके पर आप लोगों का शो भी आ रहा है, तो क्या कुछ स्पेसिफिक प्लानिंग होने वाली है आप लोगों की तरफ से वैलेंटाइन डे पर? और शो भी आ रहा है तो डबल धमाका ऐसा माना?
देखिए वैलेंटाइन डे बहुत स्पेशल है. मैं अपनी वाइफ और अपनी बेटी के साथ खाने बाहर जाऊंगा, हमेशा जाते हैं. बेटी को छोड़ नहीं सकता, वो भी मेरी वैलेंटाइन है, तो वो तो बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है. इनफैक्ट आई थिंक हमारी स्क्रीनिंग रखी गई है वैलेंटाइन डे के साथ. अब बेटी के साथ नहीं आ सकती है, मगर नीलम और मैं ज़रूर जाएंगे. तो डबल, जैसा आपने बोला डबल धमाका, तो एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. लव भी है और वर्क भी है, एंड इंशाल्लाह दोनों में सक्सेसफुल रहेंगे.
क्या तो हमारे मेकर्स ने उस दिन हमारा स्क्रीनिंग रखी है विच इज़ अ ग्रेट थिंग. क्योंकि हाँ कहीं ना कहीं जाते हैं डिनर खाने, तो डिनर खाने के बाद हम स्क्रीनिंग देखने आएंगे अपने वैलेंटाइन के साथ. थैंक यू.
मेरे बहुत पैसे खर्च हुए, जितने नहीं होने चाहिए. हाँ अब क्या है ना, क्या होता है जब भी आप कोई चीज़ करते हो आप उसमें इन्वेस्ट करते हैं. कभी कभार लोग को लगता है प्रोड्यूसर बनना बहुत आसान होता है. लेट मी टेल यू, वन ऑफ द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट जॉब्स इज़ बीइंग अ प्रोड्यूसर ऑन एनीथिंग. बट आई नो द शो हैज़ टेकन अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. बहुत मेहनत गई है, लेकिन वो अच्छा बना है. जब अच्छी चीज़ कोई बनती है तो उसके बदले में आपको बहुत और सारे काम मिलते हैं. सो दैट्स हाउ यू विल रिकवर. प्रेशर ना केवल पैसों का नहीं होता. प्रेशर होता है आप बहुत अच्छे आर्टिस्ट के साथ काम कर रहे होते हो, उनको मैनेज करना. एक आर्टिस्ट का ना ईगो होता है, उनको ना पैम्परिंग ज़रूरत होती है, और बहुत सारी चीज़ें आपको बैलेंस आउट करनी पड़ती हैं. वो सब के अलावा आई हैव अ वेरी यंग कास्ट. उनके इतने लफड़े होते हैं, बाप रे. मतलब कभी कुछ होता है, कभी कुछ होता है, कभी कुछ बचपना होता है, कभी कुछ होता है. उसके बावजूद उन सबको एक साथ रख कर एक शो बनाना, एक कहानी कहलवाना. और शो मेकिंग इज़ अ क्राफ्ट, इट्स एन आर्ट. इट्स नॉट कि हलवा बन गया. तो आई थिंक लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स हैव टू कम टुगेदर टू काइंड ऑफ मेक इट हैपन. यू नो द थिंग इज जब मैंने इन लोगों को कास्ट किया था, ऑल ऑफ देम वर न्यू And the only two actors who were not new were Nikki Walia, Sameer Soni, and Harshita was not new because she had done a really big hit show and she's taken a break and she was coming back. But the rest of the cast is fresh. जब उन्होंने शुरू किया था, they were completely very simple, sorted. But वो शो को बनते बनते ना सब लोग स्टार्स बन गए. सिद्धार्थ शर्मा का लेजा लेजा आ गया, प्रियांक ने बिग बॉस कर लिया, बज़ हो गया, खुशी का कैडबरी का ऐड आ गया, निखिल भामरी ने 2 ऐड कर लिए. तो you know what happened was that suddenly from the normal kids that we picked up, they became stars. And that journey is a tough one because जब नया नया फेम आता है ना तो आप हैंडल करने में हमेशा सही नहीं रहते हो. तो but what is very good is that beyond that, apart from that, we were able to complete it in the right space. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. गॉड फादर किसी का कोई नहीं होता यहाँ पर, सबको अपनी मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. बट व्हाट इज दिशा क्या होता है ना, हम दिखाते हैं पर एक जगह पहुँचने के बाद ना उनको लगता है कि दे आर द एटलस देमसेल्फ. तो उनको सारी दिशाएं मालूम होती हैं और हर जगह चले जाते हैं. फिर जब खो जाते हैं फिर उनको वापस याद आती है. तो ये तो एक रूटीन है जो मैं पहले कुछ 12-15 साल से देख रहा हूँ. सो विच इज़ फाइन. इनका बहुत फीडबैक. आप समझिए क्या मैंने कहा ना, जब आपके पास एक स्पेस होती है एंड शी गिव्स यू दैट मच ऑफ अ फ्रीडम टू डू थिंग्स, बट व्हाट शी ब्रिंग्स ऑन द टेबल ना नो अदर पर्सन डज. शी ब्रिंग्स यू अ कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट विजन. अगर कोई आपको प्रोड्यूसर को बोले कि तू बना तो सही, तू लेवल लेके तो जा, वी विल टॉक अबाउट द मनीज आफ्टर दैट. एंड द फैक्ट दैट यू नो फ्रॉम टेलीविजन टू वेब टू फिल्म्स, द स्केल इज़ वे मोर डिफरेंट. For this one, we didn't think about scale. We didn't think about. We thought इस कहानी को ज़रूरत किस चीज़ की है, and that's how we've moved on this one. मैंने कर दिया उनको विश ऑलरेडी, और मेरे फैंस को पता है. I am very very happy for her, and I am hoping and I'm praying that there's health, good health, there's a lot of happiness in her life and in the baby's life. I am hoping that उनका caring nature जो है वो बहुत helpful रहे, because apart from all the things that she does, she is also an extremely caring human being, and उनको लोगों की परवाह बहुत होती है. तो I am hoping that that nature will come out in politics, because we have very few people who care. There are plans of projects like that, but अभी तक कुछ formalize नहीं किया है मैंने. It's a big responsibility when you take up anything like this.
धन्यवाद. हम कितने एक्साइटेड हैं भाई साहब. अब जो बच्चे को आपने 9 महीने जना है, अब 14 फरवरी को ओल्ड बालाजी पे वो बच्चा पैदा हो रहा है. तो जितनी एक नए बच्चे की पैदाइश में एक्साइटमेंट होता है, उतनी हमको एक्साइटमेंट है. और हर व्यक्ति ये चाहता है कि उसका बच्चा सबको प्यारा लगे. तो हमारी भी यही अपेक्षा है कि जब हमारा बच्चा 14 फरवरी को ओल्ड बालाजी पे पैदा होगा, कहने को हम सफ़र सीज़न 2, तो आशा करते हैं कि जितने भी दर्शक हैं जिनको सीज़न 1 भाया था, उन्हें सीज़न 2 भी भाएगा. सीज़न 1 से थोड़ा ज़्यादा भाएगा तो और भी हमें अच्छा लगेगा. बड़ी स्टारकास्ट से क्या अर्थ है आपका? ज़्यादा पात्र हैं या? जी जी, ये तो कहानीकार पर निर्भर करता है कि कितने पात्र वो डालें. लेकिन चूँकि हमारा जो पहला सीज़न था उसमें 10 एपिसोड थे, 10 या 12 एपिसोड थे. इसमें 20-22 होंगे. और जीवन जो वहाँ से आरंभ हुई थी सीज़न 1 से, वो अब जीवन फैल चुकी है. तो पहले सिर्फ रोहित मेहरा और अनन्या और रोहित मेहरा की पत्नी पूनम के बारे में ये कहानी थी. अब बच्चे भी हैं. अब पूनम जो एक्स वाइफ है वो अपना प्यार अलग ढूंढ रही है. तो कई सारी समस्याएं अलग सी उठी हैं सीज़न 2 में, तो इसी कारण पात्र भी ज़्यादा है। जी, मैं तो यही कहूँगा भाई साहब कि शायद एक संत थे जिनका नाम वैलेंटाइन था, तो उन्होंने कह दिया जी 14 फरवरी जो है वो वैलेंटाइन डे होगा, तो 14 फरवरी वैलेंटाइन डे हो गया। लेकिन मेरे लिए तो सर हर रोज़ इंसान की प्रवृत्ति ऐसी होनी चाहिए कि वो हर रोज़ प्यार बांटे, हर रोज़ प्यार करे अपने घर वालों से, जहाँ वो काम करता है, जहाँ व्यवसाय करता है, वहाँ अपने कलीग से, और इंसानियत से प्यार करें। तो मेरे लिए तो हर दिन प्यार का दिन है। मैं शादीशुदा हूँ सर। हाँ, अभी मैंने कहा ना, मेरे पत्नी और मेरे बीच हर रोज़ जो है, हम हर रोज़ अपने बच्चों को उतना ही प्यार देते हैं जितना वैलेंटाइंस डे पे देते हैं। तो विशेष रूप से ऐसा वैलेंटाइंस डे हम नहीं मनाते, क्योंकि हम नहीं मानते कि सिर्फ वो एक दिन विशेष है, हमारे लिए साल के 365 दिन विशेष है। थैंक यू। यस माय ब्रदर, कसौटी जिंदगी की। यस, क्या पूछना चाहते? पार्ट 2 डूइंग वेरी वेल। पार्थ माय फ्रेंड इज प्लेइंग अनुराग, और जो मेरी बेटी है पूजा बैनर्जी, इस शो में कहने को हम सफ़र हैं में जो है वो निवेदिता का रोल कर रही हैं, और अत्यंत प्रसन्नता मुझे है कि ये जो दूसरा अध्याय है कसौटी ज़िंदगी के का, वो बहुत अच्छा जा रहा है। लोग प्रभावित है उससे, लोग आनंद उठा रहे हैं उसका। और जैसे कि मैंने कहा था जब ये लॉन्च हुआ था शो, मैं चाहूँगा कि जो हमने मुकाम हासिल किया था उससे कहीं ऊंचा मुकाम ये दूसरा अध्याय हासिल किया। जी 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 सर, now that I've met you today, if I see you progressing, I've seen a lot of my journalist friends progressing, and I feel very happy for any kind of progress that anybody I know makes. तो जितनी प्रोग्रेस करेंगे उतनी ज़्यादा प्रसन्नता होगी मुझे, और साथ साथ में जितनी प्रोग्रेस आप करेंगे मैं फिर से वही करूँगा कि भगवान करे आप और प्रोग्रेस करें। नहीं, मैं नहीं, देखिए मैं कोई एक्टिंग का टीचर हूँ नहीं, मैं खुद कोई स्कूल नहीं गया, एक्टिंग स्कूल नहीं गया, तो मुझे आता नहीं है कि एक्टिंग क्या होता है। यही है कि अगर कोई मेरे साथ कोई सीन कर रहा है जो थोड़े यंग एक्टर्स हैं, तो कभी कभी उनसे गलतियाँ होती हैं, तो मैं एक बार अवश्य बोलता हूँ कि शायद ये गलती हो रही है तो इस तरह से ट्राई करके देखो, लेकिन मैं बिना मांगे मैं किसी को एडवाइस नहीं देता। थैंक यू।